I am speaking from Newton study. I am going to teach physics of class 10th. I am going to teach the topic uses of convex mirror. This topic is related to chapter reflection of light. Uses of convex mirror. Main uses of convex mirror are below. Main uses of convex mirrors are below. A convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror on the automobile such as cars, trucks and buses to see the traffic from behind. Generally, convex mirror is used as a side mirror on the automobiles because a convex mirror has wider field of view. Because it has wider field of view. Second, a convex mirror is used as a staircase mirror on the double-decker buses. Convex mirror is used in double-decker buses. Next, a convex mirror is used as vigilance mirror in big shops and stores. Convex mirror is used as vigilance soap in big shops, stores and malls. Next, why is a convex mirror used as a driver's mirror? What is the reason due to which a convex mirror is used as driver's mirror? There are following reasons due to which a convex mirror is used as driver's mirror. First, a convex mirror always forms an erect image of an object whatever may be its distance from the object. We know that a convex mirror always forms an erect, virtual and smaller than object. A convex mirror always forms an image erect, virtual and smaller than object. Whatever may be its distance from the mirror. There is no difference if the object distance from the mirror increases or decreases. When the object distance increases or decreases from the convex mirror, the image always forms an erect, virtual and smaller than object. Next, a convex mirror forms an image which is much smaller than object. As a result, images of large number of the objects coming from behind can be seen in the mirror at the same time. We know that the wider field of a convex mirror contains wider field of views. So, due to which a large image can be seen in the convex mirror from coming behind the mirror. A convex mirror forms an image which is much smaller than object. As a result, image of large number of the objects coming from behind can be seen in the mirror at the same time. A large number of images can be seen at the same time because a convex mirror has a wider field of view. Now I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. At last I say you must subscribe Newton Study. Thank you.